Hello, I'm Marshall Blesofsky, and I am running to become a delegate to the California Democratic Party in Assembly District 70. I'm a physician assistant and a retired USC professor. I have been involved in politics in Long Beach area for many years, and I've been involved in peace and social justice issues since I was in college. I'm the chairperson of the steering committee of the Long Beach Area Peace Network. In 2014, I ran against an incumbent Republican for Long Beach City College Board of Trustees. I was able to earn 45% of the vote in that election. I am a member of DSA. I have been active in the Long Beach Democratic Club and our revolution. I've been a longtime peace activist. I applaud Bernie Sanders for voting against the Defense Authorization Act. He stated that the military budget of over $740 billion exceeds the spending of the next 11 countries. This is money that should go directly to benefit the people of this country. I unconditionally support Black Lives Matter. I'm in favor of shifting money from police budgets to human services. I support the work of the progressive Democrats like Maxine Waters, Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez, Rashida Tlaib, Anya Presley, and Ilhan Omar. I abhor the attack against undocumented people and the treatment of children and families who sought refuge in our country, immigrants just like my family who have made America a prosperous country. I am part of a coalition to stop the extraction of 200 million barrels of oil from beneath the Los Cerritos wetlands. The project puts public safety, the environment, and Native American cultural sites at risk. 120 new wells will be dug. Oil production increases climate change and may destroy our planet. I have also worked with unions and union organizing. I have supported the California Nurses Association and Unite Here. Organized labor guarantees workers a better life, no matter what their color. As a healthcare professional, I've seen firsthand how the healthcare system is broken. It is unequal, wasteful, and at the mercy of the insurance and pharmaceutical companies. I support Medicare for all. The battle right now is for the heart of the Democratic Party. Continuing the path of neoliberalism has left the country vulnerable to demagogues like Donald Trump. The richest country in the world must use its resources to benefit the people of this country and not just the rich and the super rich. Thank you very much. I appreciate you considering my candidacy. Thank you.